the cars burned.
I saw the plane, basically turn, come back, and I heard it and saw it go over our building, which was, kind of like a thought, like, this he's going to hit something. And then, when it went down, that's when I, basically heard all of it. I heard the crash, the boom, the windows, and then, the fire and the smoke.